We're going to go over how to share our screen when we are having a Zoom meeting. So first thing we need to do is open our browser and log into Zoom. So we do that, which shouldn't take us but a couple of seconds. And then we choose a meeting that we are wanting to start. I'll just use my office hours. And we open the Zoom app. We join with our computer audio. And if we look down here at the very bottom, so there's this green button that says Share Screen. And you can click on that, and it asks you how you want to share your screen. Do you want to share your whole desktop? Do you want to show your Chrome? Do you want to attach your iPhone or use AirPlay? Or do you want to create a whiteboard on your screen? So I'm just going to choose my Chrome, and I'm going to share that. And now it switches over so that I see myself in the upper corner. I can also see any meeting participants that are up here. And it shows me my Chrome screen. So now I can switch back and forth from my different apps. And the people who are watching in the meeting are seeing what I am doing. Now, when I'm done, I can just go down here to the very bottom and I can click on Stop Share. Or if I only want to share for a little bit, stop for a little bit, I can do a pause. And now everybody's just seeing my face again. I can resume that share. I can even annotate my screen so that other people can see what I'm doing. So, for example, I could go up here to classwork and I could then draw a circle around the district library resources so that I can point out where those are in each classroom. And I can even save what I've annotated, or I can clear it so that nobody else sees it. When I'm done, I can click Stop Share. The other neat thing is that in here, I can disable where other people can't annotate on my screen. So if I want other people to be able to make notes on my screen, that's the default. But you can disable that so that nobody else can make notes, so that you're the only one showing things. And when I'm done, I just hit Stop Share. And I am back to my normal Zoom screen. Now, under Share Screen, you can also click on this up arrow, and you can make it where other people can also share their screens. And we can even share those screens at the same time, which is really nice when you have two different people teaching something at the same time and they want to show two different screens. But the basics is just hit this green button and then make sure that you hit stop when you're done. If you have any questions, let me know and I will be happy to help you out.